The SUV market, saturated with bland crossovers, desperately needed a shakeup. Enter the Hyundai Tucson 2022. This isn't just another car, it's a statement. It's bold, stylish, and packed with features that would make even the most discerning driver weak at the knees. Forget everything you thought you knew about the Tucson. This is a different beast altogether. From its aggressive lines to its luxurious interior, the 2022 model is in a league of its own. This isn't just transport, it's an experience, a statement that you've arrived, and trust me, everyone will know it. So, buckle up as we delve into what makes the Hyundai Tucson 2022 the ultimate SUV. Get ready to be impressed because this is more than just a review, it's a love letter to a car that redefines what it means to be an SUV. The first thing that hits you about the Tucson 2022 is its design. Hyundai calls it sensuous sportiness, and they're not wrong. The sharp lines, the cascading grille, and the futuristic LED lighting all scream "look at me." But it's not all show and no-go. The Tucson's sculpted sides and sloping roofline aren't just there to look pretty, they improve aerodynamics, making it cut through the air with minimal resistance. This isn't just a pretty face, it's a masterpiece of engineering. Step inside the Tucson, and you're greeted by a world of luxury and technology. The cabin is spacious with high-quality materials everywhere you look. Gone are the days of hard plastics and dull designs. The Tucson's interior is a testament to Hyundai's commitment to quality. The centerpiece is a large touchscreen display that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making long journeys a breeze. And then there's the technology. From wireless charging to a premium sound system, the Tucson has it all. You even get a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light, making you feel like you're driving in a five-star hotel room on wheels.